Hello, this is Riku558, and it's time for me to do another unboxing, this time of the Master Grade Crossbone Verka. So, yeah. So starting with the box, it's pretty nice. It's actually your generic Master Grade box size, with the small rectangular shape. So it's really nice Verka-esque design, with the pure white background and then the really nice looking design of the mobile suit. And then it's the SR&I prototype mobile suit UC-133 Jupiter War. Way long after the events of the 1-year war, obviously. And here we have some statistics in English, which is convenient. Master Grade, the Crossbone Gundam X1, prototype mobile suit, and then the front and back shot here, and here we have a little thing here, and same as the front, and here we have some stuff in Japanese, pictures of features of the mobile suit, like the cloth, weapons, and then the cost, which is 3,500 yen, which is about like $38, $39. Anyways, and then on the bottom we have previous Verka releases. There's the RX-78-2 in, let's see, 2002 in December. Came out for 3360 yen with tax. Shows design and then the actual plastic kit picture. Here we have the Wing Gundam Verka, came out 2004 in March. Yeah, actual model, and then the Master Grade Ball, which came out the same year in December, which has the inner frame and then the actual ball. And then that's it. So let's get into the box now, after much wasting time. Okay, so we start out with the A-plate, and as you can see, it has pink beams, the beam brands, and then this is Beams Amber, which I heard it was called. The clear parts, white parts, and a very nice looking skull and cross. Some nice, I guess it's called orangey yellow, I don't know. Next, we have some red parts, and then some, it's like a really dark blue / purple. It's really hard to describe. I think Vegeta8259 mentioned this color before. It might be the same as the full cloth, not sure. White parts, which I wish came in clear, because this isn't the clear parts edition, which it only comes in the full cloth, which I didn't get, obviously. Lots of stickers. Probably gonna try to avoid using these guys. Don't want to. White parts, the usual spam of Katoki stickers, and then dry transfers. Clear pink beams and inner frame, which is a nice brownish gray instead of just normal. Continuing with the inner frame, same brownish gray. Got some chains here for the I think there's like the hook anchor. And then the hands. All of this is in I believe it's ABS. Pretty sure, yeah, it's in no, they don't mention it in this one. It's not super new, so they don't mention it if it's ABS or not, I guess. And then the specific joints here, and then wires, more white parts, and then more of the inner frame. And at the very bottom we have the nice cloak thing, which I will open, because I really want to see what it feels like. And yes, I am going to open it off camera. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, so pulling this little bit out. It's a very silky thing. It feels exactly like silk actually. It's very reflective too. Very nice. And it has the holes for all the parts. It seems that the instructions I saw earlier, you can rough up the edges so it looks more realistic. It's pretty nice. Oh, this is the not awesome side. I guess this is where the gundams can be covered up under. So it looks something like that. And then here we have a, I'm guessing it's a double-sided sticker for using to hold this thingy in place. I don't know. I saw the instructions a while ago. And speaking of the instructions, they are at the bottom of the manual, bottom of the box. Manual, what else I think? Move the camera down. So we got some nice fur cob box art. And you open it up, get some more nice box art. And you can see the Crossbone Gundam here, and then it actually opens up to reveal even more, like the whip from the rear armor, beam brand, the heat dagger being stored in the back of the leg, then the Zam Buster machine gun thing. And what's it called? It's called the Zam Buster. Oh, that makes sense. Because it's being Zamber and the Buster, Beam Buster at the same time, so that makes sense. And then here we have the ad for the manga, and then the X2 and X3 parts list goes from A through J with one duplicate at F. Oh, lots of omitted parts here. That's interesting. It's probably from F91. Then some very nice Verka instructions. Very clean. And this looks very different from the other master grade instructions. Just continuing on. I think the only thing I don't like about these is that there's no like parts list. But it does look very clean though. And it does show what the parts look like kinda, and then a part of where it is in the Gundam. That's pretty nice. Okay, building the weapons. And then the cloth thing that I mentioned. Then a very nice full color double page for stickers and marking stuff. I think I'm going to get the water slides because there are too many stickers. I need to water slide them. And the stickers are kind of bad anyway. And on the back we have just various stuff, all in English apparently. So that's it for the unboxing. I have recently finished the Strike Noir. I can find it. Oh, there it is. That's what's up. The Strike Noir. He is finished, and I do have the Noir Striker built too. So I'm probably gonna review him soon, but I'll be busy building and doing studying. So maybe next week, maybe. So yeah. And also, I did record this about a day after I built him, which was yesterday. So yeah. That's about it. So I'll see you guys next time.